like you had nothing left to show for it. Nothing much left at all. A year ago I would have said that I'd do it all again, but I'm too weak.